Welcome to Storytime Wiggles with Tim.
Today's story, Pete the Cat rides the train.
Wiggle worms, wiggling all day long.
Pete the Cat is right on time. He loves to ride the train. He can't wait to see his grandma. Look at Pete. He's waiting at the train station. Pete, Mom, and Bob sit side by side for the train ride. Look at them sitting on that train, all happy. The conductor likes Pete. He invites Pete to ride by his side. Look at that. Pete has a new friend. Pete says hi to the engineer. The engineer drives the train. He drives inside a tunnel. Yikes! It's dark. But Pete is not frightened. Look at that train. It's going to go inside the mountain. Goodbye, says the engineer. Pete does not want the train ride to end. Pete enjoyed himself, and the conductor is saying, "Goodbye, Pete." Grandma is right on time. Pete loves riding the train, but he loves Grandma even more. The end. Thank you for coming to Storytime Wiggles with Tim. That was a cool story. Pete the Cat rides the train.